It's a little warm.
Who we got there?
This is Poppy.
Poppy?
Poppy, the naughty one. She doesn't have much on her for spots at all, but as long as she's been in with the rest of them. Yes. I don't think she has any spots.
I don't see any.
But they all gotta have the bath. Especially make sure the ears. I know, this ain't your favorite thing, is it, sweetheart? Toes, ears.